What's poppin', guys? Polar Party here, and today we are going to be doing fireworks. Sorry if it's a little dark. Of course, you need it dark when you're doing fireworks.
You got a lighter?
No, I don't got a lighter.
Where's the lighter?
Okay, guys, I'll pause this, and I'll be right back. Alright, guys, we found the lighter. You guys can't see anything, but
You ready?
there's a firework right there. Yep.
There you go.
That's super loud! That was awesome.
How much that only cost?
How much?
$2.
$2. So, go to, where'd you get it? Walmart?
Hannaford.
Oh. Well, go to Hannaford. You guys can get yourselves some fireworks.
We're going to go over and get more in the morning, you want?
There's a ton of smoke. I don't know if you guys can see this, but here, I'm trying to get you guys some light. You can barely see that. Well, subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a like on this video as well as all my other videos. And Polar Party's out.